Welcome to the CB School of Calisthenics. No matter you're a complete beginner, or you want to learn calisthenics, or you want to take your current training to a next level, here at CB School of Calisthenics, we help you unleash the beast in you. If you are a complete beginner to fitness, well, don't worry. You will be going through our boot camp, which is available in two options, the virtual or a ready-made program, which will prepare you for the next phase of learning calisthenics. Now, if you're someone who's already into fitness and want to start learning calisthenics, then this is for you. We're going to start off by making sure that you know how to do the right form of push-ups, pull-ups, and dips, which are 3 separate programs available. Once you master the ABCs of calisthenics, now we're going to make sure that you build the strength and a strong foundation to progress further in calisthenics by achieving 10 to 12 push-ups, pull-ups, dips, as well as a decent amount of core strength. Hence, the basic strength program under CB School of Calisthenics will help you build that strong foundation you need in order to unleash your true potential. Once you are in a state of good amount of foundation in calisthenics, now we're going to take our training to the next level. Introducing Cali Killer, which will help you unlock variations of push-ups such as one-arm push-up, clap push-ups, pull-ups such as explosive pull-ups, archer pull-ups, unlock a great amount of core strength such as toes to bar, leg raise, as well as incredible amount of dip strength. And finally, we move on to the one thing that everybody looks forward to, unlocking calisthenics skills. So this includes the most basic skills like prop stand, elbow lever, all the way up to handstands and muscle-ups. These are the skills that will be included in the online coaching skill training, which you will be unlocking. Once you have mastered the basics, built a strong foundation, and learned all the various calisthenic exercises and the initial skills, you will be capable of learning the much harder variations of skills in calisthenics by yourself. Hence, it's time to keep exploring your capabilities and keep unleashing the beast inside of you. So now let's move on to how does online coaching really work. So you are requested to share your specific goals in calisthenics that you have set for yourself. We will then be assessing your initial strength level, where you are requested to send us the videos of the basic exercises that you are asked for. After the initial assessment, you will be placed in the category that is most suitable for your strength level. A customized program will be made just for you and sent via Telegram, which will include 4 to 5 weeks of the workout routine, the videos and the demonstrations of said workouts, and instructions that need to be followed during the course of the program. To make sure that you are doing the exercises correctly, you are requested to take as many videos as possible during the course of the program and send it to the coach via Telegram app, where the coach in turn will get back to you regarding any corrections of the form so that the exercise is at the most efficient. And finally, we will be keeping a track of the progress so that you keep learning new things and challenging yourself in order to unleash your full capabilities. And finally, we're going to move on to the benefits of online coaching. The first benefit of online coaching is that it is so convenient to learn calisthenics, just like how you can learn cooking from watching a YouTube video. The second benefit is that it is literally like a coach in your pocket. You have the routines already, you have the videos, you have everything in your pocket that you need to do in order to progress in calisthenics. Unlike from an in-person training, you can do this anywhere and anytime. You don't have to worry about cancelling a class or the coach not showing up or even during a vacation. Since online coaching is much affordable, you can learn and build a strong foundation in calisthenics which will help you build long-term gains that will help you throughout your lifetime. After you put the initial investment in learning calisthenics, this is such a self-sustainable option. You don't need a gym membership ever after this again. Our CB School of Calisthenics have curated the programs which are so easy to understand, which includes amazing routines, the videos, the instructions, demonstrations, as well as the coach in your pocket, makes it very easy for you to progress through calisthenics. And once you are done training under the CB School of Calisthenics, you will have such a strong foundation of fitness and strength that you can test your limits and explore your potential.